And now that's the LG washing machine. All right, that's the LG washing machine. Now that's the LG washing machine. And it says normal, whites, heavy duty, tough glove, bright bedding, press, slurry, towels, a bowl dip, speed wash, tub clean, and towel. Let's put the wash. There. And on the wash machine, that said LG. And the wash machine said LG. Look, let's open it. And see what's inside. Okay, let's close it. Let's turn it on. There, it turned on. Now it's on the video. Let's turn off the LG washing machine. Now it's on the video. So that's good. That's the LG washing machine. Now it's on the video.